If your Chevy Equinox backup camera is showing a black screen or glitching out, we can fix that right now. Believe it or not, about 40% of these camera failures are just software glitches that don't require any new parts. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly where your signal is dropping. Start with a hard reset of your MyLink system before checking the physical fuse and camera lens. If a reset doesn't work, moisture in the lens or a pinched wire in the tailgate are your primary suspects. Inspect the rubber boot on the liftgate hinge, as constant opening and closing can snap those delicate wires. Fixing this yourself can save you hundreds, especially since the dealer often charges a flat diagnostic fee. As you can see, the costs vary wildly depending on if it's a simple fuse or a full module replacement. If you need a new camera, just pop off the interior trim panel and unbolt the old unit from the inside. You only need a few basic tools like a socket set and a plastic pry tool to get the job done safely. Just remember to disconnect your battery first so you don't accidentally short out any expensive control modules. Now you're ready to get that camera back online. Check the description for part links and stay safe.